My dear students, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to help you on the new topic, that is history and culture. It is in unit 4 of the grade 11 compulsory English. Okay. In unit 4 there is a chapter Qin dynasty. No need to tell that it is from language development section, that is section 1. Okay, I am going to make this video on the title Qin dynasty, which is the 4th lesson in this book. Okay, let's get started. Okay, Qin dynasty. In Qin dynasty, the writer gives short introduction of the dynasty, which was so much influential in the history of China in that the name of the country is derived from it. Okay, the name of the country is from this dynasty, and this dynasty started in 221 BCE and ended in 206 BCE. BCE means before Common Era. Okay, and talking about its time, it followed the Zhou dynasty and it preceded Han dynasty. That means first of all there was Zhou dynasty, then Qin dynasty. After that there was Han dynasty. Okay, let's go to the topic according to the lesson. Okay, Qin became close ally of Zhou during the Warring States period, because they became very close to Zhou as they were the fighting friends. Okay, and due to that, the king named Ping of Zhou gave the title of nobility to the chief of Qin, which was pivotal for the state of Qin. That means this action encouraged them to become victorious. The Qin had a great experience in warfare obtained through fighting with non-Chinese tribe. Okay, and they had advantage of favorable location also, and another thing was that they were very much ruthless in battlefield. That means they were very much cruel, they were not kind. Okay, next slide. Hin Zheng proclaimed himself as Yundi. Don't confuse with Hyundai, which is a company name. The first emperor of China in 221 BCE by implementing the idea of the statesman Xiangsheng. Okay, with the idea of Xiangsheng, he became the first emperor of China in 221, and they had controlled 1/3 land in China before the final campaign to unify China began. Okay, don't get confused here. They means Qin dynasty. And at the time, the practice of legalism reached its peak in Chinese history during Qin Empire. That means during the Qin Empire, it was legalism which was fully used. Okay, and how was that? Xiangsheng was the person to give suggestion about legalism, who was a foreign advisor appointed as prime minister. As the Qin had nobody intellectual and rational, Xiangsheng was called and appointed as prime minister from the foreign land, and they formed a special type of government which was The form of government was like a collectivization program. That means people had to report to the government if the rule was not followed properly. If they did not do it, they would be killed. That means their mistakes would be reported by themselves. The fellow person's mistake should be reported to the government, otherwise they were punished. And at the time, the scholarship was also suppressed during the legalism of Hundi. Many scholars were executed and books were banned unless they were written history of the Qin dynasty. Apart from the Qin dynasty, they did not tolerate. But in later stages, Confucianism was preferred to legalism. Legalism was very harsh. Okay, Hundi had ordered the construction of his elaborated tomb with terracotta army of 8,000 warriors. Here, terracotta army means the decoration of the statue, not real army. Okay, and it can be also called a necropolis because it was a tomb prepared. Okay, next, after the death of Hundi, Li Xiu, the then prime minister, planned to enthrone Hu Hai, the second son of Hundi. Due to the weakness of Hu Hai, the suppressed people began to revolt by that time. Okay, because it was going to end. The Qin dynasty did not last very much. The imperial house was massacred and the dynasty came to an end. Massacred means they were killed in large number, like Koth Parva in Nepal. Okay, Liu Bang, a person from common people, was considered as the man of people and founded the Han dynasty. In this way, the Qin dynasty ended and the new dynasty was formed, which was known as Han dynasty. Okay, in this way, I gave you short information about the topic. If you like this information through video, do like and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.